Hi students, welcome all. Today's topic is expressing concentration of solution. Expressing concentration of solution. Okay, this is today's topic. There's, there are different methods for expressing the concentration. First method is percentage composition, and the second one mole fraction. Third, molarity. Fourth one, molality, and fifth one is normality. Okay, so uh, this is a part of the chapter solution, but here we are discussing the concept for only for the NEET examination. For the NEET, we only want the concept and the solution of the problems. Okay, after completing this expressing concentration of the solution, we are doing the so many problems related to this topic. Okay, fine. So first let us start with percentage composition. What is percentage composition actually? This percentage can be we all that percentage means in 100. Okay, mostly percentage is expressed as 100. As we always marks can say marks by percentage. So here mainly in for the expressing concentration of solution, for the solution one of the expressing method is percentage composition, that is of three types. First one is a mass percentage, and the second one is a volume percentage, and the third one is the mass by volume percentage. It's a simple concept, you just understand this. Okay, so mass percentage means m by m or w by m, which can be expressed like m by m or w by m. This is mass percentage, that is 5% NaCl solution means what? 5% NaCl solution means it is 5 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of a solution. Okay, fine. That is, we had already know that in a solution that is solvent plus solute. Solvent, the solute plus solvent is the solution. Okay, so here NaCl is 5%. What is actually NaCl? NaCl is a solute. Okay, and the solution consists of both the solute and solvent. Okay, fine. So here 5% NaCl solution means 5 gram NaCl in 100 gram solution. Okay, so we had already know that 5 gram NaCl is present, so we can express in terms of solvent also. That is, solvent means that is 5 gram NaCl in, what is the solvent? How many grams solvent is present? 95 gram water. That is, in this NaCl solution, solution consists of NaCl plus 100 gram solvent, that is water. And this 95 means what? 5 is subtracted. 5 gram is subtracted because 5 gram is a solute. So in terms of solvent we can express, and also in terms of solution we can express, and also in terms of solvent we can express. So this is not so important to understand this concept. Okay, now next, volume percentage expressed V by V. Then what is volume percentage? V by V aqueous solution means what? Does aqueous solution consist of 5%, that is 5 ml solute in 100 ml solution, that is in a milliliter. If you are expressed in milliliter, that is 5 ml solute in 100 ml solution and 5 ml solute in 95 ml water. Okay, clear? This 5 is subtracted because 5 ml is solute. Okay, fine. Not so important. So just listen. Now next, third is the mass by volume percentage, M by V or W by V. 5% M by V aqueous solution means what? 5 gram in 100 ml solution. Okay, that is 5 gram. Here this mass is expressed in gram. This mass is expressed in gram, this volume in milliliter. You have to remember that mass is expressed in gram and volume in milliliter. So 5 gram solute in 100 ml solution. Okay, fine. So that second condition is not possible. That which condition? In terms of solvent. That is, here we expressed in terms of solvent also in this case. Volume percentage, and also in the case of mass percentage we had discussed or expressed in terms of solvent also. But that type is not allowed in the case of mass by volume percentage because these two are expressed in different units. Okay, fine. Now the second expression, expressing concentration of solution, the second method is the second term is the mole fraction. It is denoted by chi. Okay, chi. So mole fraction is very simple. It's mole fraction. What is the formula for mole fraction? That is chi of solvent. This is the number of moles of solvent by total number of moles. Total number of moles consist of what? Solute plus solvent. And the number of moles of solvent here. And what is the, that is we can express like this: n solvent by number of solute plus number of solvent. This is the term mole fraction. It is the ratio. Okay. And mole fraction of the solute means what? Number of solute by number of solute plus number of solvent. Okay, fine. So for a binary system, you have to remember this. This is very important. That is, for a binary system, chi solute plus chi solvent is equal to 1. Okay. For a binary solution, binary type of a solution, this is the equation. That is the total mole fraction of a solution, binary solution, is equal to 1. So we can if we are in the problem, if you were given the mole fraction of the solvent, we can find out the solute mole fraction by 1 minus chi of solvent. Okay, fine. 1 minus chi of solvent. Okay, fine. Now mole can be expressed in percentage also. Mole percentage, that is chi into 100. Mole fraction in percentage. Can express mole fraction in percentage also. That is into by multiplying by 100. Okay, this is all about mole fraction and percentage composition. In the next video we are discussing about molarity. Okay, and molality and the normality. Those are very important. Okay, fine. If the concepts are clear, you can easily crack the answer. Okay, fine. Thank you guys.